Welcome back to John Kleis Car. Today I'm sat in a Porsche 911 997 generation of the first gen, and we have installed a KENWOOD Apple CarPlay system. So I'm just going to pop the keys into the ignition over it. Stereo is going to boot up. Little Porsche logo, which is something that we always put onto our KENWOOD head units, as these are applicable for a little splash screen, so it's always a nice touch to add the manufacturer's logo on the boot up. So this head unit features wireless Apple CarPlay, which is just about to hook up, along with wireless Android Auto, DAB radio. To get DAB, we've actually added an antenna on the left hand of the screen there. That little antenna picks up a decent DAB reception, and that's the normal place where you would put it on a convertible. So just a little walk around the KENWOOD head unit. We've got Apple CarPlay on the screen at the moment, or wirelessly connects to your phone. Real nice capacitive screen, which is easy to use. Check your messages, check your maps, and you know, you've got apps for your music on here. So you've got Tidal, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Deezer, whatever you want to use, and of course other navigation maps apart from Google Maps and Apple Maps like Waze, TomTom Go, even Sigic. So lots of options for you there. Bar along the bottom can change the colour, which is a nice little effect. Got an orange, which sort of matches sort of the colour of the Porsche logo. And you even got HDMI on this head unit, so you can even run a Fire Stick into the glove box on a particular vehicle, and have the ability to even watch TV inside the car. But yeah, I mean, that's a quick walk around the top of it. That's CarPlay. Here's what the radio looks a little bit like. Obviously picking up all the channels there. Presets down the side in there. Search for your radio stations here, or in alphabetical order. Very nice and easy to use. And yeah, fantastic radio, works great, really reliable, looks good in these dashboards here. We've actually, this system has a car as an amplified system. We've also done a speaker upgrade behind the scenes on it, just to help improve the quality and the clarity of sound. But that's it for this quick video of this KENWOOD DMX8021 in a Porsche 997.1. If you've got a Porsche or any other car for that matter, you want to upgrade to Apple CarPlay, get in contact with us. Thank you very much, and goodbye.